Hey guys, Psychotic Panda here. I'm doing a video on where you press the button. I think I took from Dylan. But who cares? And I got my gloves. My special gloves. It's my gloves. Right, so the first one is Mr. Reed. Look. So you'll get $1 million or your regional equivalent for you will have to work 5 22-hour days for a week for the next 2 years, but you receive the same pay. No, because I'm a lazy person. I will not press the button because I'm a lazy person. But I forgot, so my life is set. Oh my god, this is so boring. You become popular with anyone you speak to, no matter what you wear. Somehow your unmentionables are always found. I'm not going to press the button because I'm very timid. It's just really timid. If you're French. You know what I mean. That's, by the way, guys. Perfect. Right, next one. Come on. Right. You can go back in time, you'll forget whatever you saw while you were in the past. And there's no point in going in the past, is there? No. Right, so let's go forward. Good. I don't know what I pressed. You can resell and buy used games on Steam. No Steam sales ever. Again, not even daily deals. I'm gonna press the button because I don't buy games anyway. Go. So it doesn't affect me. Don't affect me. That hurts so much. You know. It's plastic, right? Ah no. That hurt. You should see the flipping comments. It's like FUCK Steam. It's like, what is STEM? It's like STFU a-hole. It's just rude. Steam is awesome. Keep it. Actually, you'll be immortal. No one will ever love you. What's the point of living if no one will ever love you? I suppose I got my glove. I'm Freddy Krueger. I'm immortal. I got awesome hair. Look at that forehead. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. It's late. I'm tired and I'm late. Right. Alright, I'm actually in my bedroom right now. That was a good question. A burger Masterga! Oh, that actually hurt. Happily be with the love of your life till death. You can only eat food he or she makes, and the food tastes really bad. And you can't them know about it. You can't. Hold on. Happily be with the love of your life till death. You can only eat food he or she makes, and the food tastes really bad, and you can't them know about it. Go press the button. True love, bad food. True love. I don't know why I do that. It's just really nice to describe. I have to get my phone, but I'm not sure. The thing is, I'm not actually swearing at you. Cause. Boom. It's boom. But my thumb's here. See, I wasn't actually swearing at you. Get right, son. Press the button. 34% of people press that button. Thinking close. All apps are free on the phone in the world. Every phone is twice as expensive. Why would you care about a free app? God, stop telling me his cookie. Right. You will win a fabulous mansion. It's haunted and ghosts have your sibling captive. Press the button. My fingers broken. My fingers broken. Ghost don't even exist. I just spooky sound. Right. This is a really bad video. I'm gonna stop it at 8 minutes. That was a good question. Right. You'll be able to discover all the secrets and mysteries of the world. You'll forget them after 2 hours. Just write them down. Couldn't you? You just write them down. Right, secrets of the universe. That's a good question. Yeah, someone in the comments has written, write them down. It's really hard for me to use some mouse because I'm using my left hand. I cannot. Become the most attractive person online. Every person attracted to you become a zombie. I'm going to end this video here. Stab that like button. Stab that like button. Visualize that subscribe button. Follow my Instagram. Follow my Instagram account, which is Psychloptic. Psychloptic. PHY. No. PSY. CHLOPTIC. I think that is. And that's it. I'll see you in the lovelies in hell. Goodbye.